Hey guys, Bearski here. I'm going to show you how to control user headset without using your controllers or hand tracking using the point and click function. You can see that little dot that's moving around as I'm looking around. That's what we're going to be using to utilize it. You are going to look at an option and then click the volume up button to control it. You can do this to get to tracking, turn on your hand and body tracking just in case it's turned off, and then you can use hand controls if that's not working. If the point and click for whatever reason fails, because you know how MetaQuest is and their software doesn't like working, you need to press and hold the power button for about 1 second. And then you should be able to see the dot. Just point, use the volume up button to select, and good to go. You can use this for keyboards. Keyboards like make it break really easily. Let's see if I can go to lightning launcher. So you can use that to download apps that you would like to use, as well as close that, close lightning launcher, close that guy. That's the one I'm looking for. Go back to the navigator, browser, and you can use this to get to YouTube, Reddit, Netflix, whatever you need. So you don't need controllers. In case you break your controllers, you can still utilize your headset without them. And not too bad. If your hand tracking is not working, you can always refresh it by going to the meta button. That's the virtual meta button. Go into settings, go to search, and you can type in tracking. Make sure you turn it on. And there we go, just in case it's working. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bearski out.